G'day guys, today I want to share with you 3 cardboard box activities for your baby or toddler. The first one is a box tunnel. We had this empty car seat box and Sophie was already using it like a bit of a cave and she'd go into it and sit inside it, but I wanted to make it into a sensory tunnel. So using some long socks and tights, I punched holes into the box with the scissors and then threaded through the socks, tied a knot on the top and then continued to do that. Sophie enjoyed pulling the socks out as I was doing this, and then it was ready to crawl through. She liked going forwards through it, backwards through it. Dave chased her through it. It's a lot of fun.
I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. Oh, I'm coming through the tunnel.
It's a lot of fun, a super easy activity to set up. The second activity is mess-free painting. What you need for this is to soak a nice clean kitchen sponge, put it into a container, and then 2 paintbrushes, and that's it. Sophie really enjoyed this, dabbing the paintbrushes into the sponge, as well as if she painted herself or the carpet, it didn't matter because it's just water. And when the container fell over, no water came out. This was definitely Sophie's favorite activity out of the 3. So much so the next day she went and grabbed the paintbrush container and wanted to do it again. Sophie did try to put the paintbrushes into her mouth, but I just had to keep saying, yuck, not in your mouth. This is an awesome activity and we'll be definitely doing it more often. The last one is quite simple, draw in a box. So Sophie really enjoyed getting into the box, I'd pass her the pencils, and then she'd draw on the cardboard box and then she'd get out again. And then she'd get back in again. It was a great activity. It was just something different from drawing on a piece of paper. Of the 3 activities, what are you gonna try with your baby or toddler? Let me know in the comments below. Okay guys, if you want another toddler activity, I've got these busy boards. I'll leave a link for the video right here. Alrighty guys, bye.